economic impacts is like IT changes, cost of capital and the cost of information. Like with the passage of time, because when you are like bringing new technology, yes, there is a cost. You have to pay for it, but the cost of what we call it the economy, like for example, the output you are getting, that is like far more better than the cost of what you call it, the cost of investment over there. So the return on investment is better if you compare the return on the investment. It is far more better than the other returns over there. So the information systems gives you like a high return, as we have seen that in digital economy the things are moving faster. Like you are contacting your customers like rapidly. You are in a high contact with the supplier as well. So means everything is within the reach over there. And time is more important thing. Time is a money. So you reduce the time of approaching the supplier and the customers over there. And also the processes within the organization are also like minimized. So as last time I give you the example of optimization, that how the optimization works. So sometime months converted into the days in case of uh, like routes over there, like CPEX in like China's transmitting the things to the to Middle East over there, or some small technical processes into the Aramco other fields over there. So these are important things. So IT has a has an in-depth impact of the economics over there, right? So as I told you, three different areas over there, that before people were like earning on the agriculture economy. Then the when in 1840s, when like steam engine and the piston engine came into being, so it revolutionized the industrial stages over there. And after that one, in 1980s, the computer and the internet came into being. So it totally changes the paradigms over there. Now everyone, even sitting at home, they can earn the money on the information system and through internet over there. So they say that information technology is a factor of production, like capital and labor over there, right? So IT like affects the cost and quality of information and changes economics of information over there, right? So IT like they have a affects the cost and quality of information, like, and it changes the like economics of information over there. And moreover, the information technology helps the companies, the firms to contract in size. The size has been reduced over there. It has flattened the organizational hierarchy over there. So before, if there were two or three layers, then it has reduced to one layer over there. If it has like 10 layers, so it has been reduced to two or three, four layers over there. So the size of the company that has been also reduced over there, because most of the functionality is done by your information systems over there. Because it reduces the transaction as well. If you see over here, there is a very interesting, see that it reduces the transaction cost over there, the cost of participating in the market as well, right? And sometime if you don't have any facility, you can also even outsource over there. For example, if you can develop like one module, second module, third module, the fourth module, for example, if you cannot develop it, you can outsource it to some other company, C2 company, right? For example, you have a C1 company, you can, for example, develop this indigenously, like in your own. So, and the fourth one module, if that sometime you can develop it, but it costs high because you have a less trained employees and you have less trained facilities. Then what you do it to save the cost, you can outsourcing. So outsourcing is not a bad thing. It's like a normal thing. You can outsource the thing if you have a company, and you, if you need, for example, if you can if you want to outsource some of the things, then you can also give to other company as well.